Well, good afternoon. This is Kieth Winslow, and of course, I'm the boss of the beach right here at WVET Radio and Television. And I am standing in Broward County. Of course, you can see the courtroom behind us, and we're going to ask this lady a couple of questions. Number one, tell us your name and why you're here.
I'm Donna Hickenbottom, and I'm in a case here that I'm a witness for someone that is being charged with practicing law without a license.
And this is in a courtroom?
Yes.
Okay. Number two, where are you from and how long have you been doing this?
I have been in this foreclosure since 2009. I have discharged my debt through HR 192, and I reached out to Anthony Williams to help me. I had a judge give me a building back because I had discharged my debt and tendered payment, and I told Anthony about this, and he showed me that he was a private attorney general. I have his paperwork with me here today, and he helped me. That's all he was doing, was helping me to do things that I already knew, how to do motions, how to do the laws, how to do everything. And he supported me while I was doing this. He's an advocate.
He's an advocate, and first thing I want you all to know, he is a veteran, and that's why I'm here. We believe that the country should be holding veterans to a higher esteem, and we're going to be here legally to make sure that it happens, and we're going to continue to make this fight till veterans get special treatment in this country for all the years that they haven't. Now, I know, what branch of service was he in?
He was in the Army.
He was in the Army.
Honorable discharge.
Honorable discharge. This is one of our veterans. And do me a favor. If anybody else gets in a situation like this and needs to kind of get a conversation about it, how can someone reach you?
Anthony can be reached at USA Common Law Office of America.
You heard it first right here. USA Common Law of America. And don't forget, you can get this information again at WVETonlineradio.com. Thank you.
Thank you.
See, that wasn't hard. You didn't even get married. How y'all doing? What's up, man? Blessings. Well, hello there. This is Keith. I'm the boss of the beach right here at WVETonlineradio.com. We're at a court case in Broward County that we're all here. He's a veteran, and he's got a lot of people coming in his support. And I'm going to ask this gentleman two questions. Number one, tell me your name.
My name is...
Why you're here.
I'm here for Brother Anthony Williams. I'm in support of what he's doing.
Okay.
He stands for a worthy cause.
Yes.
Greater than an individual.
Yes.
But for the nation itself.
Yes.
And my name is Odulani Ibikunle.
Obulani, what a beautiful name. And Obulani, where do you hail from?
I stand northeast Miami-Dade County.
Okay. He's one of the people who are right here in southern Florida. And we know we're in the greatest city in the world for right now. When I started out, it was San Francisco, now it's Miami. We want to thank him for coming. And tell me a little bit about yourself, and actually, what do you do?
I do several things. I represent a humanitarian organization in the United Nations.
Okay.
And I also do credit restoration.
Okay.
And helping people resolve their credit problems, as well as putting them on track for housing, where they can actually pay their home off within 2 to 5 years.
Okay. If someone wanted to really do that because they've been impressed by what you said and that wonderful outfit you're wearing, how can they get in touch with you?
They can get in contact with me at the number 786-251-1609. That's in Miami, Florida. You can contact me directly, or you can reach me at email, odulani@yahoo.com. That's ODULANI@yahoo.com.
If you're out here and you're listening anywhere in the country, visiting Miami, want to buy a home, and want to make sure you save your home, don't forget, Odulani comes first. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Keith. Of course, they call me the boss of the beach at WVETonlineradio.com. And I'm standing here with a gentleman who has a lot to say, but he's going to say it quickly. First, tell me your name and why you're here.
My name is Willie Lee Williams. I'm an ordained minister in the Church of God of Christ, and I'm here representing my son, Anthony Troy Williams.
First, we want to thank you for being here. In a lot of cases, we unfortunately think that the fathers don't show. Your testimony that that was not true. You are here. Now, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I was born here in Florida. I'm a native of Florida. I was born in Lake Park, Florida, and we moved to Louisiana in the military. Spent 1 year in Fort Polk, Louisiana. Then I went to Fort Jackson, South Carolina. 1 year I was a boxer, and 1 year I was a cook. Right now, I used to drive 18-wheeler. I got in an accident, got 3 screws and 6 plates in my back, so I'm a little bit disabled, but I'm not whole 100% disabled.
Okay.
But I just thank God that I have a son that I can really feel proud of, that he's not doing drugs, he's not doing nothing illegal. That's why I'm here to support him.
And I want to say this. His son is here because he helps people. And this country is going to wake up that a veteran needs to be exonerated anytime he's helping somebody, because that's what he's trained to do. I want to thank you for coming by. Anybody you want to say hello to?
Hello to everybody in Killeen, Texas, especially to my home church, Bountiful New Life Church of God in Christ, Pastor Andre Johnson, pastor.
All right, that's Fort Hood. Y'all know what we're talking about. Thank you, and we'll be right back. Thank you. Hi, this is Keith, and I'm back again here, and of course we're in the courthouse in Broward County, Florida, and we're here for a very good reason. There's a gentleman been helping people, and it's caused a case. We're going to help a decision because he's a veteran of the Army. And I'm going to introduce you to a person. Now tell me who you are and how you got here.
Hello, my name is Barbara Williams, and I am the mother of Anthony Troy Williams. I'm here on behalf of my son to make sure that he gets justice.
Wasn't that nice? And who are you?
My name is Denise Cross. I'm with Victims of Malicious Prosecution, and I am here to advocate the malicious prosecution of Anthony Williams.
And where are you from?
I'm from Jacksonville, Florida.
Another Floridian.
Yes.
Okay. Mama, tell me a little bit about yourself personally.
Well, personally, I'm a woman that loves God, first of all. I know that He is the head of our life. I know that we got to acknowledge Him in all our ways so He can direct our path. I am someone that truthfully and firmly believe in justice, and I truly and firmly believe in everything that my son is doing. I back him up 100%. I'm here to let the people know that he is not a malicious person. He's not a violent person. He's not a molester. He's not, what you call that thing? Metaphor. What you call it? That. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But anyhow, the bottom line is that I'm here to make sure that justice prevails. And I do know, listen to me clearly, I do know that everything is already all right. I know that it is. So I'm just asking you all to keep us all in prayer, have faith in God, keep trusting Him, because we got to look to Him for all our help. All our help comes from Him. And I got the faith and trust in Him, believe that all of this will come to an end, because the bottom line, what my son is doing is to help people. And this justice system don't want him to do it. So he just happened to be one of those people that's bold, strong enough to stand firm, stand up for what's right. So that's why I'm here.
Well, I want to thank you personally. And before you leave, I want to ask you one more question. Tell me a little bit about the organization so they get a better understanding.
Victims of Malicious Prosecution, we try to prevent wrongful convictions in the post-conviction phase, but more importantly, in the pretrial stage, we try to prevent wrongful conviction through the malicious prosecution. Rather, if someone lied on someone and they're being retaliated against, or if there are issues of retaliation within the system for public official corruption, barratry with litigious litigations by state attorneys or private attorneys. And what we do is we educate the community on process, procedure, court etiquette, so that they can be successful as a pro se litigant in litigating their own self. As an advocate, we advocate for people, and also we encourage people to be more involved in their own personal process.
I do want to thank both of these ladies, and Mama, and you just give us an idea if someone wanted to call or write and get more information, where would they find you?
Well, for us, you can visit our website. We have a website. It's called victimsofmaliciousprosecution.com. They can email us at advocacy@victimsofmaliciousprosecution.com. And, if there's any case issues, they can upload those. And what we try to do is mediate their situation between whatever they're having problems with, whether if it's the public defender's office to the state attorneys to the sheriff or whatever the case may be.
I do want to thank both of you all, and they are going to continue this tomorrow, so we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you.